All right. Thank you, everyone, for being here at our scholarship workshop. Thank you, everyone who is online. We have a whole host of people that are online as well and meeting here. And so it is wonderful to all be together. So I don't know how many of you remember, but about 5 years ago, we did something like this. The foundation collaborated with financial aid, with the cashier's office, and we had a meeting just bringing everybody together and explaining what scholarships are, how they impact each of our areas. But that was 5 years ago. And last year, I know financial aid did a lot of work and hosted a lot of meetings working on scholarship leveraging and changing the timeline. And we got a ton of information, had a lot of opportunities to meet and learn more about scholarships. But I felt like it was super important to kind of include the foundation side of things as well. So we actually did this with our development officers, with our fundraising staff, probably about a month ago. And we wanted to open it up and make sure that business managers and other colleges and units were a part of this as well, because scholarships don't happen in a vacuum and we all have to work together in order to make scholarships happen. And so I thought this would be a really great opportunity to bring everybody together and explain what we're going to do is kind of have two parts to this presentation. We're going to go over the scholarship life cycle and talk about how the foundation, financial aid, and the colleges and units, how we all partner together to award scholarships and make scholarships happen for our students. Then we'll take a little break, and then part two is going to be diving a little more into scholarship funds and how to check your balances and how to track balances and what criteria is. And so we're going to drill a little more into scholarships and what they are. And so we are going to go ahead and get started. We actually are going to be doing a larger, more comprehensive presentation with financial aid during the fall semester. So please be on the lookout for that, because we really did want to join with financial aid, but just this time of year, trying to get students awarded and everything ready to go for the fall semester, it was not a good time. And so please be on the lookout, because we are going to probably have something in the middle of the fall semester collaborating with financial aid as well.